In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the 70s text effect in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and make sure the text you want to style is already added to your page. If you have not inserted your text yet, go ahead and place it where you want it to appear, because this effect will be applied directly to that text layer. It also helps to have your wording finalized before styling, so you can focus on the look without needing to make too many changes afterward. Once your text is selected, look for the Effects option in the top toolbar. This is where Canva lets you change the appearance of your text beyond just the font and color. Click on Effects to open the Text Styling panel. You may see a variety of preset looks and formatting tools here, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. From the Effects panel, go to Advanced. This section contains additional text style options that give you more creative control and access to Canva's more distinctive text treatments. If you do not immediately see it, just scroll through the available options carefully until you find Advanced. Staying in this area is important because the effect we want is located there, not in the basic text formatting tools. Now, select 70s. As soon as you click it, Canva will apply that retro-inspired text effect to your selected text. This style is designed to give your typography a bold, vintage look, which can work especially well for playful designs, nostalgic branding, posters, and social media graphics. Depending on your current font, text schemas, and color, the final result may look slightly different, so do not be afraid to adjust the font or reposition the text afterward to make it fit your design better. If the effect feels too subtle or too bold, you can simply click around and compare how it looks with your overall layout. Sometimes increasing the text size makes this kind of stylized effect stand out more clearly. It is also a good idea to make sure your text remains readable against the background, since decorative effects can become harder to see if there is not enough contrast. And that's it. Once you open your Canva design, add your text, click Effects, go to Advanced, and choose 70s. Your text will instantly take on that retro look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.